Kidmissing TV. I'm your host, Angelina Wilson. Today we're talking about the case of Tina Kemp. It's been 43 years since the 14-year-old vanished from Felton, Delaware, on February 3rd, 1979. Actually, it's been, wow. Just so you know, I was 4.5 years old. Anyway, her sister said she was into horses. She did a lot of taking care of horses with her dad at the stables. Their favorite shows were the Brady Bunch and the Partridge Family. She had a few friends, but not a ton, her sister said, which is fine. Brenda was 17 at the time, was at work the day that her sister vanished. She told Dateline what her mother said happened. She thought Tina was outside hanging up clothes, and she checked her room. Brenda said, because I think I remember something about Tina said she didn't feel good. But Tina wasn't in her room, wasn't outside, and no one had any idea where she actually was. She had run away 2 times before, within a couple of months, to her boyfriend's house. And that's kind of what they thought. But Eric hadn't seen her. Her sister also told Dateline that after she returned home from work that day, she joined her mother to search for Tina. We went riding around looking, up and down roads. I don't know what we thought we were going to find, but we felt we needed to do something. They were unsuccessful. It wasn't the same as it is now, with all the alerts they send now. Now, the whole town will get together and go search for people. None of that happened. She's right. The very next day, there was a blizzard. 2 feet of snow. And she was officially reported missing February 5th. That was 2 days later. Do I have a tissue? Excuse me, I guess not. She was last seen wearing a white sweater with a red and white flannel shirt, blue jeans, red and white tennis shoes, a gold band with white rhinestones, and a leather strap with Eric on her left arm. None of those items were ever located. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry. So I'd like to thank Dateline for this case summary. They do suspect foul play. Hold on 1 second. Sorry about that. I couldn't take my nose anymore. I had to try to blow it. Okay, let's see. Where were we? Police do suspect foul play. She was very young when she went missing, they said, and did not have the means to start a new life with a new identity. But they don't have any suspects or persons of interest. She is in the NCIC, in the Delaware Criminal Justice Information System, and NAMUS, according to Corporal Pepper. Master Corporal Pepper. Oh. Her mother died in 2011 without ever getting answers about her daughter. All 4 of her siblings and her dad have submitted DNA to one of the Ancestry Family Tree websites. They need all the tips, sightings, and whatever they can find. is what the family is asking for. I'm going to try to get a hold of her sister to see if she wants to come on Kid Missing Radio. I'll keep you updated on that. And Tina's last age progression was to the age of 54. If you have any information, you can call the Delaware State Police at 302-739-5901. 302-739-5901. Thank you so much for joining me for this interesting case. Like I said, I would like to get, excuse me, her sister on Kid Missing Radio. Maybe your dad, although he's probably pretty old, to talk about it. To get the case out there, you know? Kid Missing Radio, we have the reach of Spotify, of Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, just about anywhere you want a podcast. We have that reach and that ability. So please reach out to me, kidmissingcases at yahoo.com. God bless you. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me. Please hit that subscribe button and that little bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new case. And please check out Punky's World, my vlog channel. We have a lot of fun over there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.